Good morning students. In previous class we have learnt about additions. Now I will explain subtraction. Okay? Subtraction. We will write subtraction using this symbol. This is minus. Okay? Look here. In subtraction there are three types. Subtraction without regrouping, subtraction with regrouping, and subtraction from numbers with zeros. Okay, look here. First I will explain some examples, then you will get an idea. For example, 396 minus 245. Second example, 921 minus 343. 700 minus 246. Okay, these are three problems. Now I will solve. Okay, look here children. As you know already, how we will, from where we will start addition? Yes, from ones place. Like that only for subtraction also we will start from ones place. We have to subtract down number from up number. Okay, 6. Open your 6 fingers. From that take 5. How many left? 1. Okay, 9 minus 4. Open your 9 fingers. From that take out 4. We'll get 5. Next, 3 minus 2. 1. Now this is from ones place we have to start, and 1 minus 3. For example, you have 1 chocolate but your friend asked 3 chocolates. So will give? No, it is not possible. So at that time we have to take borrow. Okay, borrow. Here borrow, when we are taking borrow, this 1 will become 11. Why? Because when we are taking borrow we will get 10 more points. So 10 plus 1, 11. Now 11 minus 3 is 8. Now this 2 will become 1. Why? Because here we are giving 1 point. So here this 2 will become 1. If it is 5, it will become 4. Okay, 1. From 1 we can take 4. No. So again we have to take borrow. This 1 will become 11. Okay, 11. Here 9 will become 8. 9 is 8. Now 11 minus 4 is 7. 8 minus 3, 5. 578. 578. This is subtraction without regrouping. It is subtraction with regrouping. With regrouping means we are here taking borrows. Okay. Now look here. Third type, subtraction of numbers with zeros. Here zeros are there. So many children will do write directly 6 and 4. That is wrong. Okay. From 0 we cannot take any number. So at that time we have to take borrow. Here also 0 is there. So I took from here. When we are taking from here, this 7 will become 6. Okay. When we are giving, we will get here 10. But we are giving here 1 point. So it will be 9. Here it will be 10. We are giving here no. So it will be 10 only. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 2, 4. Therefore we got 454. 454. Okay. This is subtraction without regrouping, subtraction with regrouping, and subtraction from numbers with zeros. Look here children, textbook page number 105. This is third chapter, subtraction. You have to do this all in your textbook. Okay, this is your homework up to 4th bit. Now I will explain 5th bit. Okay, read. Will you add or subtract to get the answer? Solve the problems. A. A book has 300 pages. Deepa has read 95 pages. How many more pages does she have to read? Actually, the book has 300 pages. From that, Deepa has read 95. How many more pages does she have to read? Again, remaining pages means we have to do subtraction. Okay, write this question in your fair notes. Now we'll write answer. Number of pages in a book. How many pages are there? Yes, 300. Okay, next, number of pages read by Deepa. How many pages she read? 95. Okay, now we'll do subtraction. 300 minus 95. From 0 we can cut 5? No. Borrow. It will be 10 here, 9. This is 2. 10 minus 5? 5. 9 minus 9? 0. 2 will be here. Therefore, she have to read 205 pages. Okay, this is A answer. Now look at B question. Mintu read 125 pages of a book. He has to read 85 more pages to finish the book. How many pages does the book have? Means here we have to do addition, because already he read 125 pages. Again he has to read 85. Means total pages means addition. Okay. Now look at B solution. Number of pages read by Mintu, 125. Okay. Number of pages to be read to finish the book. How many extra? 85. Now add this to 125, 85. 5 plus 5? 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8? 11. 2. 210. Therefore, the book has 210 pages. Okay, this is B answer. Now look at C question. A baker made 500 cupcakes. He sold 332 cupcakes. How many cupcakes were not sold? Means what we have to do is subtraction. Okay, look here. C solution. Number of cupcakes made by baker. How many cupcakes he made? Yes, 500. From that, number of cupcakes sold. How many cupcakes he sold? 332. Now do subtraction. Okay, borrows, it will be 10, 9, it will be 4. Okay, 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 3 6, 4 minus 3 1. Therefore 168 cupcakes were not sold. This is C answer. Now look at D question. A baker sold 225 buns to one shop and 324 buns to another shop. How many buns did he sell in all? In all means addition. Okay. D solution. Number of buns sold to one shop. How many he sold? Yes, 225. Okay. Number of buns sold to another shop. How many he sold for another shop? 324. Now add these two. 225 plus 324. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. Therefore, he sold 549 buns. This is D answer. Okay, now look at E question. Children counted flowers in their school garden. There were 254 roses and 436 lilies. How many more lilies than roses were there? Here in school garden there are 436 lilies and 254 roses. Which are more? Yes, lilies are more. How many more? How many extra are there? They are asking. So subtraction from lilies to roses. Okay. Look, E solution. Number of lilies 436. Number of roses 254. How many more? Means what we have to do? Subtraction. 436 minus 254. Look, 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 5, borrow. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Next, this is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore, 182 lilies are more than roses. This is homework up to 4th bit. Write 5th bit in your fair notes. Complete up to here. Okay. Thank you.